Hi everyone, it's me Hafsa Ayub and I'm gonna tell you about Touch DNA. What is it? It is the DNA that a suspect leaves on a crime site, also called as contact trace DNA. You know very well about what happens in criminology. When a crime happens, the suspect leaves his epithelial skin cells on the crime site. And we all know that humans shed their skin cells everywhere, every day, where they touch the things, and so on a crime site, traces of DNA can be found. So we can say that it's an easy way to reach the criminals through touch DNA technology. Its principle is based on the fact that every contact leaves a trace. Lower skin cells are a source of DNA and recovered easily by any force, such as force applied on a victim's clothes or a crime site. When we don't have any other evidences, touch DNA can help in such cases, as we are having the skin cells traces. This technology has some steps to go. Identify the target first, then isolate it. Determine the quality and quantity, and then DNA amplification, and after that, detection of DNA. Step 1. Non-destructive techniques such as swabbing, cutting, scrapping, and tape lifting are used. In step 2, the isolating DNA, silica-based extraction is mostly used with magnetic beads. In step 3, the need is to quantify the collective DNA, and different techniques are used for this purpose. Step 4, the DNA amplification is done and the DNA profile is matched with the DNA databases. Step 5, the DNA detection, fluorescent tags are used that show the result if they bind to the target. Here is a case study in which a person, Tim Master, was sent to a prison life after he got blamed for Peggy Hendricks' murder in 1999. In 2007, a team tested the victim's clothes by touch DNA tool. The DNA was taken and it didn't match with Tim's DNA. After 9 years, Tim Masters was set free by the help of touch DNA technology. That was a great aspect. Like all others, it also has its drawbacks such as contamination of touch DNA. Interpretation can be very difficult. Financial constraints are also there. Let's conclude this. Touch DNA has great potential in forensics, solving cold cases, link a suspect to crime, prove the innocence of a suspect, criminal identification and investigation. Hence, it is a powerful tool for investigation of a crime. Thank you very much. Hope you got informed with all of this wonderful technique. Let's hope for the best. Allah Hafiz.